to Virtual Classroom Facilitation Applications, part of InSync's Virtual Classroom Facilitation Mastery Series. In this program, you'll build on your foundational facilitation skills by improving your techniques to ensure that learning transfer occurs in the virtual classroom. You'll work with a team of experienced virtual classroom facilitators dedicated to making sure you are successful. The goal of the applications program is to ensure that learning transfer takes place. It's easy to know that people have shown up and logged on, but how do we know if they're learning? This program helps you to use questioning and facilitation techniques that build relationships with your learners. You identify the benefits of and you create your own instructional partnerships. And you'll prepare to deliver an interactive and engaging virtual program. Our learners tell us the individualized coaching and intensive teach-back process really cements what they've learned. I want you to think back to the last time you were a learner in the virtual classroom. Did anything surprise you? Were you less or more engaged than you expected to be? Keep track of those aha moments and share them with us and the rest of the learning team, because that's what we're here to learn about. What keeps us engaged and how do we facilitate well? Enjoy this special learning opportunity.